how to set keyboard handwriting to recognition candidate or prediction candidates on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here, click on Settings app. Now in Settings, scroll down and click on General Management. After click on General Management, click on Samsung Keyboard Settings. After click on Samsung Keyboard Settings, scroll down and click on Handwriting. After click on handwriting, you will see candidate type is here. Click on candidate type. If you want to set handwriting to prediction candidate, click on prediction candidate. You will see handwriting is set on prediction candidate. If you want to set handwriting to recognition candidate, click on recognition candidate. So you will select prediction candidate and recognition candidate from here. After selecting, go back to home screen. So that's how you can set keyboard handwriting to recognition or prediction candidate on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.